Let's cook, bag and bake. This is beef ribs and I'm going to cook it for 90 minutes at 200 degrees, which should be equivalent to like over 400 Fahrenheit. Going to cook gnocchi, the spinach and ricotta by La Tosca. Oh, can't wait. Gonna make the sauce with garlic, Parmesan cheese, cheddar, with flavor, some butter, garlic powder, some Italian herbs, some black pepper, cream obviously, some salt, and yeah, butter, cook. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil so the butter doesn't burn. And some oil so the butter don't burn, like I said. Add as much garlic as you want. And add some cream to prevent the garlic from popping. Add as much as you want. Then add some Italian herbs. Add some garlic powder. Add some salt. Add some cracked black pepper. And just chucking in leftover cheese, that's cheddar. And then add some parmesan. Just mix in the cheese till it melts. And then we'll be ready to add our gnocchi in. Cook gnocchi for 3 minutes, as it says over here. And your sauce looks like this. I've added some more cream just to make it a little bit more runnier. Make sure and always taste your sauce or anything you're cooking along the way so you don't over season anything or under season it. Oh, that tasted good. Let's add our gnocchi. Don't worry, this will all break up as it's cooking. It only takes like 3 minutes, so do my thing. Make sure the sauce is covered all over the gnocchi and just cook for like so, 3 minutes, and we should be finished. This is the best part when your mum or you're busy working, you can whip up something very quick in the kitchen. I love ricotta and spinach. It's literally a favourite of mine. But I really like making gnocchi at home. It's so easy. For the entrees, we're eating some ribs and gnocchi I just made. Oh, this easy and bake is like the best. Especially if you're like a mum like me. So, let's look at this. Oh, so good. You see that? I try to put my press ons before I record and it's just coming off. Like the meat. It's so good. Sprite. Oh, before the rest of my nails quickly come off because I literally had like 5 seconds. No, I like cracked pepper on mine. Like little polos. Obviously I love pasta. Sauce is easy to make and it's so delicious. Eat your bread. I feel like so from the bakery because I love those soft buns because I don't really buy white bread, but for the buns I do. Here's the packet. It still has all the juice in it. So I put some Worcestershire sauce in there. Just dip your bread in there. And the flavours, the marinade from the meat and the ribs is like, oh. Like every mukbang I haven't eaten all day. Literally. I don't know about you, but these soft buns are like the best thing. Even me, sorry about the noise when you get done with the packet. Gnocchi literally is an underrated pasta, especially homemade gnocchi. What? Not as much flavour as I thought. I'm gonna put some Worcestershire sauce because honestly, I'm like a black person in a fair body or beige body, whatever. Gotta season it, man. I'm good with a good Worcestershire sauce. As a tongue twister. Now, what you know about that carb life? I cook my ribs in the air fryer. Any of them will do. Man, full. There's a lot going on. I'm never buying these again. Nope. They just keep falling off. Anyways, make sure you follow me everywhere. I'll see you next time. Pasta, honestly, can never go wrong. 9 out of 10. The ribs, I'm going to be completely honest, probably about a 6. Tender, 10 out of 10, but the flavour just ain't there. Natural Fanta, I'll leave that up to you. Take care now, bye.